This is the first white. This is Auburn 615. This one is mostly white. Definitely going to be a cock. Very nice, strong bird. He's one of the older too. He's on his 4th flight already, but very nice pigeon. So that was 615. I'll grab the nestmate now. This is the nestmate 614. Just about pure white. He's got a little bit of black here and there, but he'll lose most of that when he molts. I think this one's a cock, but this one could be a hen. That was Auburn 614. The other one was more medium and medium large. This one's more about medium small in size. But the nestmate to the last one. This is Auburn 640. Really nice handling, white grizzle. Another one that has some black in him, but he will lose most of that black when he molts out. This is probably a cock on this one, but not 100% sure. Pretty much true medium in size. This is Auburn 640. This one's a little young, so he's going to need at least a week or two before I could ship him. This one is Auburn 631, mostly white with a few black tail feathers. I'll probably lose those. This one I think is a cock, but not 100% sure, but very nice pigeon. True medium in size. He is on his 3rd flight. I think when he molts out, he'll be just about pure white because those black tail feathers usually disappear. That's Auburn 631. This is Auburn 624, white grizzle. This one has super handling pigeon, probably a cock. This is off Iceman and Miss Mayberry, which is one of my top 2 pairs. This one has enough black in him though. I don't know if he's going to lose it, but really nice pigeon, and the parents are 2 of my best breeders. Looks like he's on his, just starting his 3rd flight. But he does have enough black in him that he probably is going to maintain that black. Auburn 624. This is another one that I just weaned. 100% pure white though. Auburn 645. I think this is a hen. Really nice hen, medium small in size, very nice body. 100% pure white in color. Really nice handling pigeon, and appears to be a hen. A lot of muscle and very soft feather. This is Auburn 645. I've got 2 more white grizzles in the nest. They're 2 or 3 days from being weaned. They have some more black in them. They're kind of like the first couple where they're going to have a little bit of black, but not much. This is the lone pure white one. It's absolutely 100% pure white.